As a hairstylist, there isn't a better feeling than seeing a client's face light up with confidence when they put on their new wig. Today, I revealed to my customer her human hair wig that we put a root, lowlights, highlights in, and toned. Let's see her reaction. Are you happy with how it's looking?
I am 100% happy. And you know, I have walked out of other places that either I bought it right there or I ordered it and then walked out, got in my car and went, not sure.
Yeah.
I am 100% pleased with Bravadas here in Kansas City, with Nikki in particular. My first wig a few years ago came from this particular store. I've since moved and been other places and have never been as satisfied as I am here. So each time we come back, this will be my place to come. Nikki is awesome. She has turned me on to a different kind of wig. This is a different style. This one fits me and others have not fit me. I was impressed the first time I was in here because she measured. So she measured my head and told me what size wig I was going to need, and this one is perfect. It is absolutely perfect. I could not be more pleased with Bravadas.
Thanks for watching. We can't wait to work with you.